Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to AINOVA Nexus. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of ancient Vedic philosophy and its intriguing connections with the mind-boggling realm of quantum mechanics. On the surface, these two worlds may seem vastly different, but some scholars have drawn intriguing parallels that highlight the profound wisdom of both. Let's start with the concept of interconnectedness. In Vedic philosophy, it's believed that all things are interconnected, that there's a fundamental unity beneath the diversity of the universe. This might remind you of quantum entanglement, where particles become interconnected in a way that the state of one is linked to the other, no matter the distance. Another fascinating connection is the role of the observer. In Vedic thought, consciousness is fundamental to reality. In quantum mechanics, the observer's act of measurement can influence the outcome, hinting at a similar connection. Now, consider the Vedic idea of non-duality, the notion that apparent separateness is an illusion. This resonates with quantum physics. Here, particles can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behavior. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics speaks to inherent limitations in measuring certain properties precisely. This echoes the Vedic acknowledgement of uncertainty and the mysterious nature of the universe. And then there's non-locality, the quantum phenomenon where particles can influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. This is metaphorically linked to the Vedic concept of interconnectedness beyond physical proximity. Lastly, Vedic philosophy takes a holistic view of the universe, emphasizing the interdependence of all things. Quantum mechanics similarly adopts a holistic approach, considering the entangled relationships between particles. In conclusion, while these connections are abstract and metaphorical, they showcase the richness of both Vedic philosophy and quantum mechanics. Hey, invite us to explore the profound wisdom of ancient cultures and the ever-expanding horizons of modern science. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations of science and philosophy right here on AINOVA Nexus. Until next time, stay curious.